All right, Leon, you have been. I'm just gonna have to say it. I am disappointed with your speed drills. I don't know. These were maybe the last 2 weeks that I checked, and you just look like you are not trying. I know that you are very smart, and I am really sad at what I saw. I want you to get at least 30. You should be getting at least 30. You remember when I told you when I was in second grade, I went out on the playground and within 2 days I had memorized all of my facts. And I wouldn't say that to anybody, but to you, you've been given that same gift, even more. So I expect more from you. And so my heart hurts a little bit because you are not really trying. I know that you're having trouble focusing, but you just have to pray and ask God for help. You have to know that if I do this, I will get done. I just have to keep pushing through. If you need to take a break, but don't take too long of a break, and don't let things distract you. Get yourself in a very quiet place where you can focus. I want to see your very best effort, and maybe you have already turned it around. Maybe you're doing better, but I don't know yet because I haven't seen your latest work. What I want you to do is get Mama to time you for 1 minute. Mama, time him 1 minute. And then when he is done with that minute, check and see how many he got right and write it down. And then after that, Leon, you need to finish the rest of the sheet because you need to practice. You need to be able to call these facts just like this because you are going to be doing much harder math. It's not going to be hard for you, but if you're going to do it and do it well, you need to be able to call these facts just like this. You do not need to be figuring out multiplication facts when you're in 6th grade and they're introducing hard algebra to you. You need to know it. You need to know it. So enough of that. All right, so I'm going to go back and we're going to say the 5 family. And I want you to write it down as I say it. And I want you to say it out loud with me. You know that I am not there, but I am not doing this to waste my time. I'm doing this to help you. So I want you to write the 5 family down, and I want you to say it with me. Here we go. Get your paper and your pencil, or your pen, or your marker, or your dry erase board, whatever you got to write on. Pause the video, gather it together, and we're going to do this. All right, here we go. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. I realized about halfway through that I was going way too fast for you to write that down. So I'm going to slow down, and I want you to write it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. All right, say those over and over to yourself till you are sure that you have them. I think I might have repeated some of those. but just say them over and over throughout the day. Stop, run in there, look at it, say it. See if you can say it without looking. Say it till you know them. Know them, know them, know them. All right, take your speed drill, finish it out, and I will see you for geography.